having trouble figuring out how to get started with this research project, and that has a lot to do with whether or not you were able to attend class some that last week before spring break. So I'm just going to help you through how to get started here. The first thing is you obviously have to have your research question, and you need to have at least one source that helps you to try to answer that research question. So what you do is you're just going to go to Sutori and you'll set up an account. You see I already have an account, but it's pretty easy to set up. It actually allows you to set up just with your Google account or with Facebook or social media accounts. So here's my account. And once you're in there, you get these options: stories, students, resources. If you just go to stories, you can start to create your own story. Now you'll see that I have a lot of different ones here. Just ignore that. You won't, okay? And when you start to create your story, you could just choose anything. You could choose blank if you want to. And it's pretty straightforward, to be honest. All you got to do is click on things that you want to change. So like if you want to do a picture associated with your research, you just click up here. You can edit it. You can upload pictures, or you can choose from their list of pictures. You can search for different things. You can, change the formatting here, save it. And then up here, of course, everybody's going to have a title for your research. So say mine is Effects of COVID-19 on the U.S. economy. Okay. What you might do here for this first heading is your research question. What are the effects of the COVID-19 outbreak on the U.S. economy? Okay, so that's our research question. And as you make your way down this timeline, you will provide source boxes. Okay, so this might be source 1, and let's go NPR COVID-19. So I'm just going to pull up a source just in case, or just for reference here. Let's do NPR COVID-19 economy. All right, so this is from 3 days ago. And this is about how it's hit the economy. So say I want to use this source. This is a podcast. I would actually go into Sutori and, put the link to the source. And what that'll do is actually bring up a photo associated with this source. I'll put in my MLA citation for the source. Okay, and you would have to do that on your own. And then you need to do your annotation, which the assignment sheet will tell you what to do. That's basically a summary of what the source says, an analysis, and how I will use this in the paper. Okay, now you got to have other things too. So like next, you might have your source 2. Okay, and you'll have all of this same stuff: MLA citation, annotation. Okay, and then what you'll find is, oh, between these two sources I'm seeing these connections. So you might end up between them actually adding one of your connections boxes, which is source 1 and source 2 connect on this level. All right. Now, alongside all of this, you'll be coloring these different colors. Now, my trial for this has run out because you only get 1 month trial, which should be plenty of time for y'all to do the assignment. So what I would need to do is go up here to color, and I would maybe color all of my source boxes one color like green, and then connections another color like blue, and that way it's easy to differentiate between these source boxes. Okay? At the end of the day, the best advice I can give you is follow your assignment sheet and what it's asking you to do, because I'm very explicit in telling you, okay, the source boxes need to have this information. The connections boxes need to have this information, and you can pretty much just answer those questions. Okay? Don't forget, as far as research, you have When in doubt, see what NPR is writing about it. That's what we used last semester as a textbook. It's a really great source to start with, sort of your inspiration work. And a lot of times NPR will also link to different surveys and more scholarly sources that you could then look up either through Google if you can access it or through the library's website. All right, I hope this helps. See y'all soon.